everybody, and welcome to the live feed.
Yeah.
So today's feed was chosen by Owen. In fact, they're all chosen by Owen.
Yeah.
And this is going to be a live reaction to the new downloadable content to Sonic Frontiers, which is the newest Sonic game.
Well, yeah. When's the next one coming out?
Well, the next Sonic game coming out is called Sonic Superstars, and that'll be out.
Yeah. But we are doing a stream on that, but that's going to be in later this month. So stick around for that.
Here's what we'll let you know when that is. So when that feed is. So first of all, we'll talk a little bit about Frontiers.
Yeah.
So Frontiers is a 3D Sonic game.
Yeah.
And I know you prefer 3D Sonic games, don't you, too?
Because I don't mind pixel games. They are cool and all, but I like 3D models. It's just really interesting to me. Yeah.
Yeah, whereas for me, I mean, I've been a Sonic fan since 1992, so I do prefer 2D Sonic games, and when we do stream Sonic Superstars, I'll talk a bit more about 2D Sonic games and stuff. But my fave 3D Sonic game, don't know about you, but my favourite is Sonic Adventure 2. That is a GOAT. That is the GOAT. That is just amazing. So
because mine is actually this game. This is my favorite Sonic game currently.
Okay.
Not yet. It's still it's one of my top favorite games. Pokemon Violet's still up there. Yeah. He's more of a Sega. I'm more of a Nintendo fan. I play on the Switch more than him.
Yeah, that's true.
I almost play on it every day.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen our last two streams, our two Fall Guys ones, go watch them after this.
Yeah, go watch it after this.
You can watch this first.
Yeah.
Or you can only watch... If you're a Sonic fan watching this, good for you.
Well, yeah, so this is my second favourite 3D Sonic game. It's very good. Now, this new update...
Yeah?
my head's sticking up. It's annoying me. Sorry.
Yeah.
My new update. So this is a new update. And you can see in the background, it says another story's added. So we know we need to look on Uranus Island.
Yeah.
And what they've done is they've gone and basically redone the ending.
Yeah.
So another thing we should mention, I suppose, is if you've never played Sonic Frontiers before and you care about the story, maybe don't watch this yet because it will spoil the ending for you, really. So
if you haven't been Sonic Frontiers, do not watch this video.
No.
Or the stream.
Unless you don't care and you just want to see us answer and you want to see our reactions to the new story, because my favourite parts of Sonic games as well, I love games with a good story. So it'd be interesting to see what they do to this. Yeah. Now, under Owen's orders, because this has been out since Friday, but I've not played it, not touched it, I do know how to get to the new content, although it's telling us right there, it's saying that it's telling us right up there that we need to go to Uranus Island. Now, both Owen and I have 100%ed this game, so we have platinumed it, we've unlocked the whole map and everything.
Yeah, but it took us over a full day.
Yeah.
It took us past 24 hours.
It took us a long time to do it all. 26
hours. Well, that's what it said on yours, but
yeah. So
we've been playing this game for about months, maybe weeks, maybe even months.
It did take us a while. to finish it, which is a good thing because apparently this DLC is quite tricky as well. So
what?
Yeah, so it's quite a tricky one. This, so even though it's got new story, it's got some new enemies and new characters and things, and it's a bit tricky. So basically,
but we are pros, so we know what we're doing.
Yeah, and we're not going to rage quit either. So we're going to be here for the next hour or so. Yeah. Playing this, you're going to see our reactions to the story and stuff live. I'm unspoiled, so I don't know what happens, and Owen doesn't know what happens, and we're going to take it in turns playing and stuff. Yeah. As it changes characters or we lose lives and stuff, we'll change.
Yeah, because me and him, we've been playing Sonic. Well, he's been playing Sonic more than me. He's literally been alive longer than me.
That's not how it works.
But
That's how time works.
yeah, and but like my birthday came up like 2 months ago. Yeah, and that was like our last stream.
It was. Yeah, that's right. It's been 2 months.
But yeah, so.
Okay, so I think we've kept our viewers waiting long enough, and we've waited long enough. Shall we get going?
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's on Uranus Island, so we need to boot up Uranus Island. So let's go.
Yeah. So what?
Oh, there's new save slots. Yeah, so maybe that's
good.
for it. So let's update my save game.
We haven't played this game in ages.
No, we haven't.
True.
Uranus Island. Okie dokie.
Where are we?
Good point. Where are we? We're on Uranus Island. Ah, right. So.
Well, that's.
Oh.
Wait.
Can you see it? I can see it.
What's it look like?
What's that?
I don't know.
There we go.
I think that's
where we need to go.
Wait, should we look at the icons first? Because every map has an icon. So.
Oh, ring gates. So there it is.
Wait, can we fast travel?
Yeah, we can fast travel. Shall we go there?
Yeah, let's just go to that one because that one's closest.
Okay, let's go.
You can fast travel once you have all these thingies.
Oh, there we go. I've got. Oh, it's Sonic's birthday, so that's why you've got all this.
Yeah, I have it too.
But because there's music, I'm going to hang on. I'm going to turn it off. Sorry if someone likes the music. I'm going to turn it off.
Sorry, and also, Sonic Team, if you watch this, please don't give us copyright issues.
No, we'll be fine.
Okay. Alright, so, yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, it's on easy as well.
Yeah,
so,
we are kind of like noobs as well. But we're good at easy mode.
But if it's tricky, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. You know what? No, we'll leave it as that for now. Maybe the birthday stuff will go away once I've got there. Right, so I've put a marker. There it is. Alright, so let's go around there.
Let's go, Inferno. We've been excited till this day.
Oh no! Parry! I'm supposed to parry them. Parry. There you go.
Yes.
And parry again. These aren't new bad guys, by the way. These are old bad guys, so I should be able to beat these fine. Oh, come on. Parry. Yeah. And again. Parry. Oh, I didn't parry.
You're not a noob.
I am a noob. Parry. And again. Parry. And again. Parry. There you go. And again. Parry. And again. Parry. And again. Parry. There you go. And I can beat them all now.
Yeah, we are both really okay, so, we maxed out with everything. You can't see it because, our camera above is blocking it.
Oh, it's over there.
Yeah, it's over there.
Let's go. I went the wrong way. That's a good sign. Oh.
It looks... Oh, wait, I remember here.
Yeah. Ah, right. All right, okay, there it is. Oh.
Everyone, are you all ready, guys?
All right, so you're sitting comfortably. Then I'll begin.
Get snacks and maybe get your
snacks.
And get comfortable. We're going.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Be Mario. Wait, it's a new cutscene.
It is.
So it's like I'm ready.
With my Elton John glasses. Here we go.
I'm ready. So this is all right. Whoa!
Oh, he's lost his glasses. Yeah.
Oh, well, look who it is.
Before you embark, there is one other scenario to consider.
I'm not gonna spoil the ending.
Right.
I'm listening.
So, you beat stage very early on.
Friends sacrificed their corporeal forms to suppress your cyber.
Ah, yes, this is all spoiler. So basically, at this point in the story, the power of friendship saved you because you were going to be corrupted. So all your friends sacrificed themselves.
Yeah, I think it was on Maria Island. Yeah, with the towers.
Yeah.
You beat this game before me, but I'm not too surprised.
Superpower of teamwork.
So you ended up on the superpower teamwork. Yeah.
he finally helped Sonic for one.
Of my millions of calculations, there was one so remote and unlikely, I did not consider it. However, as things stand, it could be the one to save us all.
Right.
Alright, so hopefully...
Well, I'm all about beating the odds. What's the plan?
I can reverse your friend's efforts and restore them. They would then seek out the Chaos Emeralds for us.
Oh, that's different.
I can stabilize your
Sonic sits and have a beer while they all get the Chaos Emeralds. Here's a chili dog.
On how to convert that corruption into power, so we can end this conflict.
And guys, well, everyone who's here so far, if anyone like
and
joins
save the world
near
too.
the end,
Right?
I have something I want to show you. If we have enough time, I will.
Yeah, we'll cross
So
that
it
bridge
will
when we
depend
get
on
there.
time, and it goes really quickly.
I like that.
It does go really quickly.
Let's do it
And
to
it,
it.
and it annoys
Let's
me.
do it. Oh.
The trials
That's an old Sonic cartoon.
Huh?
You said that in the Sonic cartoon.
Please.
Let's do it,
Live
do
for
it.
time
do
trials.
it.
Let's go already.
Like, do it. Just not, let's do it.
No, see, let's do it. Okay, let's go already. Okay.
Yeah, we know the control. Whoa. Oh, why is Sonic... Oh.
So yeah, she has to bring like the corruption back to bring the friends back, you see, so... There you go.
Well, it's
I
good.
just tried to save you. I'm not doing it again.
Sonic? What's going on?
I know it's been rough, and that things are confusing, but I
That's
need
like
you guys to just follow my lead. I need you three to find the Chaos Emeralds, while I take care of something else.
Yeah, right, Sonic. You just got chili dogs. It'll work for you.
If anyone didn't know, Sonic loves chili dogs.
Yeah.
Count on us.
Yeah. I mean, and he might have some wolf.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
Get on
might
with it
have
already.
some lemonade while he's at it with a chili dog.
See, it's bad that as I get older, I identify more with Robotnik. So get on with it already. Also, are we going to be Amy first? Ooh.
Oh, okay. So we're making. So if he dies, I become Amy, or like characters.
Oh.
Time to find some emeralds.
Okay.
This is
Oh, I can't Psyloop. Okay, can't Psyloop. So I was going to Psyloop to get some rings.
And we only have. I guess that's.
Oh, you can double jump. Okay.
Well, that's.
Oh, that's
Oh,
quite,
she has quite a high jump.
quite a high jump. Yeah.
Wait, should we try?
Oh, okay.
Well, we might need vault keys. Only if
We might need vault keys. Oh, what's that?
Yeah,
So
you didn't know.
she can't hit anything either. There's no. Ooh.
Is she not?
Is there a skill tree? There is a skill tree. Ooh.
What?
Right. So double jump. Right. Okay. Homing attack. Yeah. Multi-lock. Okay. Boost. She can boost. Okay. Card spin boost. Ooh. Cool. Card stomp. Card float. So she can't. Oh no, she can't Psyloop. I need to unlock that. So we need skill points.
With one skill point.
Okay. So we need to
One
find skill
skill
points.
point. One.
She can jump really high as well, which is
Yeah,
double
that's
jump.
quite handy.
What's up there? Right. So new music.
Oh yeah. Like I like games with good music. And
Oh my! I am just like. Right, come on.
did I do this one for my mom?
No, this is bad news if I can't if I can't even jump. Did I? It's homing attack, a square, right?
Yeah, X and square.
Yeah, but it's not working.
Of course.
Oh, I haven't unlocked it. That's why she needs a skill point, doesn't she? Ta-da! This is bad news if I can't even do a jump. If it's harder. Right, this time. I think to do this, I'm going to need to unlock some skill points. Oh, that's cool. Whee!
Oh, it's telling.
She can't even hit that. Oh, she can. She can. Right, okay. All right, okay.
Oh, this we don't like.
I don't mind these. This isn't too bad, but. See, oh, I'm willing me over. I can see it on the camera. You're like, it's so easy. Why can't I do it? Yeah, okay. Maybe not.
Try it.
You can do if you want to give it a go. Or I'm just gonna try that one over there first. And then, oh, what's up there? What's up there? What's up there? Can Amy go up there?
Yeah.
She can't climb.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, so because it's green as well. So I'm guessing the pink stuff is for Amy. The green stuff will still be for Sonic, I think.
Yeah.
I see that's quite a high jump as well.
Wait, is this a new place?
Yeah.
Like...
No, I think this might be. Is it Rhea or is it Uranus?
This is Uranus. Like, because there is a final boss.
Rings! Yay! We got some rings.
Lots of it.
Yeah, she can't even. Oh.
How do you use it?
Aha! What's this?
Oh, it's Coco.
It's a Coco. What's he giving us? Ooh.
That's skill point.
Let's have a look. Yes, it is. Right, okay, skill points.
Boy.
So
we can get a lot of things.
Yeah, so, well, I don't know, depends how much they are. So, card attack, multi-lock. See, homing attack, it doesn't? Yeah, okay. But, right, I definitely need side loop. We need that.
Everyone needs side loop.
What's that? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we're
I know how to side loop, right,
It's really easy.
So, yeah, it gives me training on how to do side loop.
Yeah, you can train to do stuff.
What's the next bit? Card stomp, card attack, multi-lock. I haven't got enough for those, so I need 10 for those. I could do that. Okay, yeah, that'd be handy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah.
And then, alright, so this is a square. Hit people with cards.
That's gonna be funny.
Yeah, there you go. Just hit people with cards.
Card attack. Wow.
Card attack. Bounce pad. Okay.
Bounce pad.
So I don't have enough now for anything else. So,
Right.
40, my goodness.
What?
The spin dash.
So
guess what, mate? Your turn. So,
okay. Like, everyone don't roast us. We're kind of new to this.
Well, they're whole new characters. That's the thing. This is the first time we've been able to control Amy since Sonic Adventure 2.
Hey, Uncle, how do you do be called, like, float?
It's like a triple jump. You hold down X. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. So you double jump and then do it again, and then that's how you float. So. Ta-da!
Oh God.
See, it's
weird. It's
weird.
hard.
I've been used to Sonic for so long. Maybe that's why people find it really hard, because it controls completely different.
Yeah.
So,
it's really hard when you...
Sharing our links. There is one person watching this, so hello whoever you are. You're very patient and...
Thank you.
So, you're very patient to watch us... to watch us play. Oh, go on.
Oh, come on, so close. Because
Challenge. Oh, we get another viewer. Hello.
Everybody.
This is Luna. This is my niece and Owen's sister. So there you go.
She is very young.
Yeah. And that's how excited she is. So let's watch. Yeah. So there we go. Yeah, you're making your online debut to the world. Do you like Amy? Are you telling her what to do? You go that way. Yeah. Backseat gamer. Right, going that way.
Just waiting for that to go. Oh, Luna, can you just please move? Yeah, like when she goes like straight to the telly, it's kind of hard to play.
That's it, hey! Oh, well done. And if you get through the circles, yeah. Oh, go on.
No!
Oh, can you how do you attack there? Oh, you see? You're nailing this.
Not like you.
Thanks.
Well, you need to get... Sorry. Well, you need to get better. Oh. Alright, so now it's yours.
Oh, thanks.
Luna. Do you want to...
Oh, is that one of those points?
Probably. I wonder how Knuckles is going to be.
Oh no, it's more the map. We have to unlock the map again. Okay. So what we did last time is, yeah. So you can't see this, but we have a 2-year-old dancing in front of the TV. So that's the extra hard mode. Okay, right. So where are we going next? Well, there's that. What is that? The challenge. There's the emeralds.
Yeah.
So
okay, so maybe we can go down here. Hopefully we can find fishing soon.
There you go. It's very rainy, but fishing. I don't think there is fishing in this, you know.
Well, if it's not here, then you wanna know why?
What?
Then we can't use the scroll.
No, I know.
And also something really annoying. Our levels have reset.
Yeah, we're on level 1. Yeah.
But there's something really good though.
So if we meet any bad guys, it's going to be a
bit hard.
It's going to be tricky, but that's why it's tricky, you see. So
yeah, because like playing for so long, we have been like pros at Sonic. We're not used to everyone else.
Right. Okay. Let's silent this. Let's see what happens.
So maybe you might need a bit more practice with Amy. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. No, I don't want to go there. That's backwards.
Yeah, that's backwards. We want to go this way.
I wonder.
Oh,
Hang on.
there it is.
Yeah, it still works. Ooh. The old tricks still work. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, it's there. All right. So there's the vaults. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks. Okay.
Why isn't it here?
Yeah. Good question, Amy. Why isn't it here?
We are roasting the races too. Point Fakers, why did you do that to us? You just...
Oh no, I don't think that's Amy's, is it?
Wait, it's more skill points.
Yeah, but it's
Tails.
It's Tails's, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe later in the video...
Oh, hang on, is that inside? It's inside, so I need to go around inside.
We might even play as Tails.
We might.
And that's Knuckles.
That'd be Knuckles.
We need Amy.
So we need pink ones. Alright, so what's around here?
We need pink veterans.
We do.
I don't know.
Oh.
Lookout Coco, what?
Yeah, I don't know what Lookout Coco is.
It's cool, but it's a bit creepy in a way.
Okay.
It's cute and creepy and...
I don't know what Lookout Coco is. Right, so I'm guessing...
Yeah, it's in here.
It's in here, isn't it? Ah, oh, right.
This is new.
Or is it like, right, okay, so... Or can you just run forward? Alright, I'm going to try running forward, because you can do that before. Whee! Round, round, round. This is not the game to play if you get dizzy. There it is! Right, okay, so...
Oh, good!
Maybe I can get some insight with my fortune cards.
Aye, fortune cards. She likes tarot cards, does Amy? So what's it say? Death!
That's weird.
Snap!
Is that things are obscured and danger approaches.
Well, yeah. No kidding.
Wait, seek insight from unfamiliar places?
Ooh.
Ooh, the Coco, of course!
I should Coco.
What?
Okay, so we need to find the Coco.
What did you just say?
I should Coco.
Wait, you have a lead?
Have you not heard that before? Shamage.
What if someone beat us to Babylon Road? They better not have her. I'll bust them up.
Uncle, that's bitchy.
I'll find him the old-fashioned way. Use your swarm, however.
Yeah, if you don't want to get busy, this
It's probably a lot quicker doing it the platform way as well, but you know me. Right, so 700 meters over there. So
if anyone says we're bad at this, it's not even our fault.
Ooh.
Huh? Is this 2 pounds?
Well, hang on. Do I have to side loop these? Oh.
What's this?
Ah, there's a button. Now what?
It's pretty cool. This is really confusing.
Oh, there's 2. That's why. Ah, right, okay. Is that one, that one? And then there's that one I have to stomp, I'm guessing. Stomp, Amy, stomp!
Did she not have a ground pound?
She should. Oh, do we have to lock it? Oh, no, okay. No?
How do you do that?
I just jumped on it and it went down. And that one. That one, no. Yeah, that one. That one, that one. Now what? That's lit. Okay. Alright, so that's lit. Now what else do we have to do? I'm guessing there's little things you have to do.
This is even more confusing than a normal game.
Yeah, shall I?
Wait, I saw a big red block earlier.
No. I'll tell you what, shall I just go to where the Elder Coco is?
Yeah, what's that big red block?
That, I'm guessing that's something Knuckles can climb. So it's red.
I saw some bad guys.
Yeah, I'm trying to avoid them for now. So I'm not sure how.
Maybe later when we're a bit more prepared, we could.
I ran out of boost. Okay, alright, okay, some more skill points. Oh. Elder Coco, what do you have to say? Wake up! Yeah.
Wake up! Wake up!
Yeah, you're talking Simlish as well. Badu.
It was my pleasure.
I'm talking what?
Yeah. Like Simlish.
I don't know what that language
Sims language. Is that?
Body begat.
Yeah, that's it.
If anyone knows who said that, type in the comments.
Okay.
We won't let you down.
I have to look for Hermit Coco. Well, Hermit Coco is back over there. Oh, will I be able to go that far? I'm trying to get that platform first, so I don't die. Ah, right, okay. Cool.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're for, but I've got 2 of them now, so that's handy.
If anyone knows, just type it down because we can see it.
We'll find out. We'll find out what they're for.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm heading that way, so on that spring I go. Now where? Oh, there's more. Is that more skill points to me? And that I know it's a challenge. I'll do a challenge in a minute as well. So more skill points. Nice.
Yeah, this is going to take us a while to finish.
Yeah, it is. Go. So let's. 14 skill points. Okay, so let's have a look. How?
Do you want to know why I'm laughing?
Why are you laughing?
You're in the middle of nowhere.
I am, yeah, in the map. Right, card stomp, multi-lock, or card spin. Spin inside during card stack. Move left to hold and move spin for longer. You too much and she'll become dizzy. Okay. Or Psy Hammer. Can't do that yet. Right, okay. Card stomp. Card spin.
What's that?
Multi-lock. Or I'll wait until I get enough for the Psy Hammer, I think. So I'm going to wait now. I'm not going to get anything yet. Okay. But this, I've done this, so we should...
Yeah, we know how to do this.
Yeah.
Wait, this is...
So the problem is our camera is over part of it. This is harder, man. Ah.
Did I cry?
You can try. Oh, hang on. Yeah, you can have a go for this. Go for it, mate. Thing is, you can't see when you're in this corner because we're hiding it. So bear that in mind. Tricky, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think...
That's definitely made it harder.
Why is this... So this is why they said they made it trickier.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Ja, ja, ja.
I'm guessing maybe that's what you need to side hammer.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a side space level.
Ooh.
Yeah, is he going to give us a cog to do?
Please give us something.
Come.
Oh, it's taller.
He's asleep as well.
Just punch him or that.
Just punch him. Like you wake people up.
Or maybe slapping will be like, boo.
I'm sorry to disturb you, but you may be our last hope. Can you tell me what happened to the Chaos Emeralds? Thanks for the insight. We won't let you down.
That wasn't very much insightful, though, was it? Just there's somebody. So yeah, so that cyberspace level. Can you get into it? Or do you need a cog? No, you can't. So, okay. Maybe you need to be Sonic to do that.
Yeah.
So it wants you to go 700 meters that way. Oh, there's more still points. 700 meters that way.
So it means it wants.
Oh, that's in the sky, that one. So.
Sky.
Yeah. So it's going to be a.
What's this?
Oh, it's the mirror level.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to turn the mirrors round so it points into them. So it's one of them in the original. Yeah, not that one. So you know what? Where the laser's pointing?
Yes.
So the side ones. There you go. So you turn it around so it points at one of the other mirrors. And basically what you have to do, you have to bounce the mirrors round so they shoot into that bit that you had to punch earlier. Yeah, so it's one of these bits in the regular game, and the first island. We go. Maybe you might need to turn those as well. There you go. And maybe if you turn that round, maybe that will point where you want. Oh, there's one over there as well. So, there's two, and there's two lasers. So right, okay. So guessing that laser needs to go to the one on the right, and that needs to go on the left. So that one here. That's actually going to aim towards the hole in the wall over there. You can see that over there. If you can get it that far. So keep turning. Oh, here we go. But I think, maybe not that one. I think you need to point it at that one there. So, yeah, so keep turning. No, keep turning it towards me. Here you go. No. Turn it back. Yeah, just stand behind it. Right, whoa. Back this towards this way. Stop! No, keep going that way. You're aiming towards that. Stop! Back towards me. You weren't very good at this in the original game. I think I had to do this before. No, completely wrong way. Completely the wrong way. Go. Stop.
It wouldn't let you stop.
You sure? Right. You need to do one more that way. Stop.
It keeps going.
Oh, does it? Right. I'll let you off then, okay.
So it's not even my fault, it's the game maker's fault.
Yeah. Well, they've made it trickier.
You spin me round, baby, white song.
Oh, tricky. Oh, maybe. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Can you turn that on there?
Oh, yeah, boy.
Oh, it's it's not even in the path of lasers. If you keep turning around, it will get in the path of the laser. But then I think... Oh! Alright, it will stop. Oh, okay, let's hit that mirror. Maybe if you move that mirror now.
Which one? This one?
No. Maybe that one, over there.
This one?
Yeah. So here comes Luna again. Yeah. Oh, it's tricky, isn't it, this one? Tricky. Oh, no. Oh, right, that's made a bit of a mess. So maybe that middle one is... Oh, no. I know. Do you know how to do it? Yeah. Yeah, you can do it. Easy. Yeah.
Yeah, I do not know what to do. I am
Okay. Alright, so Luna's getting excited because we get... Right, okay, Luna. It's ready. So it goes there. See that middle one? I'm not convinced that is the right way, so... Ready? Hang on, it's just... Oh, it's not detect anything doing that way. So that has to point at that. So if that has to point at that... Who's that? Who is it? Yeah, she's looking at the camera at the moment. So, yes, who is it in the corner? Do you know who it is? Is that pointing at the right one? That is. Yeah. So.
Yeah, boy.
So we know that one's over. Oh, hello. Hello. Do you want to go back there, over there? Yeah. No. She goes, no, not really.
This is a 999 IQ puzzle.
No. There must be more than one way of doing it, though. Maybe, actually. Hang on. If I point this in a different direction. So if I use that mirror there. Aha. Yes. And then use this mirror. Okay. And then we use this mirror.
Oh, I get it. What are you doing?
If we're going the other way. Just going to thank you, Lara Croft, and teaching me how to do these. Right.
Why are you saying Lara Croft?
This is just like a Tomb Raider puzzle. There we go. We get a bit more of. Oh, we get
a heart piece.
A heart piece and
final. That doesn't even help at all.
It's the corner where we are. That's why you can't see it. Right. Okay. Yeah. Heart piece. Nice. So where were we going? We were going
there. Up in the sky.
Oh yeah, up in the sky. So I'm guessing you have to go up this bit first. Yeah. Ta-da! Oh yeah, I was going to get that salad thing first. Nice. I'll get that first. The Psy Hammer. So yeah, we've seen that stuff.
And now we can finally squash enemies. Go to the doom.
We can. So Psy Hammer. So that's triangle. Generate shockwave. Using the gauge and swinging the hammer into the ground. This can be used in midair. Use this in a special sign. See, that's what I thought that sign was before. You know the one where you're like, huh?
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be so handy. I think.
Yeah. So.
Now we can kill enemies
with the hammer. It's quite slow. That's the only thing.
Oh God.
So maybe cards will be better. But right, okay. So we need. Where was I headed? I was headed over here. So we'll do this. We've got 3 of those now. Hopefully they're useful for something. I'm guessing they are. Right. And this is going to be tricky because I can't climb the walls like Sonic anymore. So Amy, let's do jump up the old-fashioned way. Oh, there's some pink stuff up there, isn't it? What's that? Oh, Coco.
Oh, at least they're alive.
Very sinister. At least they're alive.
That's good.
That would be definitely a dark turn if they're like all dead or something. You know what? Oh, it's just frustrating. Okay, so. Da-da-da.
Wait, I think I did something.
Did you where?
So back on the platform. Okay, I served. No, not that one. Turn the camera. No.
Oh, so she is. Yes.
Oh,
Sage got saved.
Power like this on Chronos Island. What did the ancients use it for?
This was an observation tower.
Oh.
Its main function was to send out radio signals to detect the enemy hunting them down from space.
Okay.
Once the enemy's presence was detected, the defense systems on the Stargate
yeah,
Island
because
were
you're right there. Yeah,
automatically
it's all red, isn't it?
So,
Do you recall the tower on Rhea
if
Island?
you happen
This
you
is
might
similar.
even get up.
The
But not
tower
cool.
here on
Only the
Romano's Island
tails.
has already been activated. The great threat that destroyed the ancients is near.
Oh. So that's the big bad. But we know who the big bad is, but right, so into the sky, so we're heading over there.
Not
Okay.
spoiling the surprise.
Oh.
It's really cool.
There you go, Uncle Momo finally figured out how to do things.
You're speed running.
Whoa. Nowhere. Where now? Oh. It's not the end. Yes, it is.
Oh.
Boom.
Boom.
Is that Chaos Emerald? Yeah, it is. Woo.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
What?
Ah. Of course. So.
This is gonna take a long time. Probably.
Probably just found it before. Oh, it's Knuckles, and guess what? It's your turn.
Noise.
Control the Knuckly boy.
So this is what I
The
say.
bad guy's a Knuckles sandwich. So he will have his own skill tree and stuff. So you need to, aim and be playable later. Oh, you got squished. Never mind.
Do I still play?
Yeah, you carry on.
Okay.
You didn't know what. So destroy it.
Alright, let's see what Knuckles has.
So you can jump. Well, that's
Yeah.
good.
Double jump. Wall climb. Okay, that's gonna be handy.
Yeah.
Glide.
Glide. Cool.
Like that.
Homing attack. Yeah.
Alright, so
So we can glide your homing attack. Spin dash. You need 40 skill points.
okay.
Psyloop. I'd unlock Psyloop as soon as you can. That's my advice. Boost. You can boost. Yeah.
Alright, so let's try. I want to try
So
glide.
you need to get those first. So.
Oh, God. This is sick.
Cool.
This is probably my favorite one already.
And you can climb those walls as well. Yes, you can. Skill points.
Alright, so I can skip this.
Yeah.
Alright, level 5.
So, yeah.
What's...
Yeah, you have to close it. Yeah.
Easy.
Easy.
We are both dressed already.
We are.
Alright, so there's Psyknuckle.
Ah, wow, cool.
So, whoa, peace move.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get head stomp and combo attack, and then I'm gonna get Psyknuckle.
Awesome.
Well, that sucks. I can't climb actual walls.
No.
Only the red
Only
ones.
red ones. Or green ones, like the green. So you got 700.
Whoa, Knuckles is going crazy.
Oh. Wow, oh, you have to climb it really quick. I think it's yeah, I think you have to make sure you've got the red bits to climb.
Wait, are those activated forever?
I don't know. Well, giving you a lot of time to do it, so...
Because...
Yeah, this appears in the leading feature. Oh, there's that one over there as well. Yeah. Ah! So you gotta be careful not to go too high, because you fall off. Oh.
Like that?
Like that.
You were saying?
Yeah. Well, the thing is, you've got no rings as well, by the way, so...
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah.
I want to see what...
There's fall damage in this.
Wait, what?
Well, yeah, in Sonic Frontiers, there's fall damage.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah. But maybe your glide stops that.
Yeah, because Knuckles can glide, it's gonna... You can only make that by gliding.
Yeah. Oh, that's neat.
What?
As soon as you touch the ray stuff, you slide, so... Oh, okay, hit switch. And there's one over there, so no, that one. All the way.
Wait, what did it do?
I think it didn't do anything, but you need to hit the switch over there to activate the next one. Yeah, look how high up you are. Alright, okay, so you're heading over there.
Right.
Okay. Are you getting glide? You should have glide. Oh, you should have glide straight away. You're not going to make it now, it's too low down.
This is hard. I thought Amy was hard, Knuckles is harder.
What's the challenge there? I don't know if you're... I'm guessing you have to go over there. Oh, right, okay. Good luck. No, yeah, I don't think gliding can do that.
It's time for a knuckle sandwich.
Knuckle sandwich.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
Please don't. I'm happy this isn't timed.
Yeah, so you can already see how different I am to play this. So for me, I was like, there's an objective, I'll go to the objects and I'll do it. But Owen's like, ooh, pretty platforms and everything.
Well, I need the map.
That is true, yeah. That is how you unlock. What Owen's doing is how you unlock that. Yeah, by doing the challenges. Yeah, it's the difference in someone who has hours to play a game and someone who's only got like 2 hours to play it. I need to get to you at the end. So, I can already see how why people say it's trickier. The platform
yeah, look, yeah, they've made lots of big harder change. Oh god, that's scary.
I know. No, yeah, don't die. Don't do that.
I am getting. I know what.
Yeah,
boy.
Gliding isn't the right thing to do with that one. I think you have to jump. Maybe double jump to platforms. Cool.
Alright. I want to just get to 10 quickly. Wait, I want to do this again.
Okay.
Gliding's risky.
Gliding is risky because he pauses in midair before you glide as well, so it's...
Yeah, Knuckles.
Yeah.
So, like, if anyone... And don't run glide on this, because it's run climb.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
So take your time doing it, be patient. So you get better at this. Okay.
I'm doing parkour.
This time you need to glide straight across. So where's before you do? Glide. Here we go. You make it? Yes.
I did a boost because I...
Ooh.
Laser beam!
Lasers. Alright, okay. Lasers. If after all this it says here's a ring,
if it is, I will be so angry.
If Better give you something nice.
If it just gives me skill points, I will be angry. If it gives me a whole emerald, I will be proud.
Can you not punch that then?
Skills. What?
Combo attack. Yeah, that's what you need, isn't it? There you go.
I want to actually practice. Okay. Oh, it's funny. I need to be careful, like...
Oh, no way! Oh, that is mean. It starts you all the way at the bottom. Oh, that is so mean. I'm not doing this, I'm going to let Uncle Boba do this. Okay. I'm not controlled. Luckily boy.
That is so rude. That is mean.
I can't believe it did that to you. That
I Sonic keep me up like everything you've done in this on you. He's not found me.
No, of course, what are you doing? Right, yeah, I'm not used to the glide yet. I might actually go and find something else in there.
Yeah, I think...
Actually, you know what? Sorry, Knuckles, Snuffy boy. Let's try and go in over here.
I think I want to wait. I want to do the Titan fight.
I don't think there's a Titan fight. Oh, the boss battle is end.
Yeah. Wait, Titan Plus. Wait, I think I'm dead.
No, really. Good luck.
This is okay. I need to run instead.
I just realised I can get away from here. You can side with that.
Yeah.
That was mean because I knew you had no wings. I should have given away first. Oh, there we go. We have
how many fucking look out?
You don't even know what to fall. So. Oh, skill points. Awesome. That still works.
I just want to get as many circles as possible. And I don't think I'm ready for plus fights yet.
No, you know what? That was me. So I'll do the next one. I'll just head towards the marker. So. Not bad, not bad.
I'm just going up. I'm going.
You only got 400.
Alright, I'm at max. I'm fine. I'm happy.
You got 5 skill points as well now. You wanted 5, didn't you?
Well, I want to unlock this because that one.
Cool. Heat stomp. Alright, circling midair. Cool. Nice.
Wait, I have to be really careful with this, so I don't accidentally press circle when
when you're in midair. That's not good.
Especially when I'm gliding. But wait, do I?
That should work. Jump and press square, isn't it? The timing's a bit different in the mechanics as well, so... Oh, there you go. Seems good from Sonic.
Wait,
You can climb those, well, green.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, that was great. Alright, so you need to end up... Oh, is it above Ghost? I think you need to go there, above Ghost.
What's that? What does the above Ghost mean?
No, there's a bad guy called Ghost, isn't there? Remember?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't activate it, it's fine.
Oh yeah.
You need to activate it, so unless you're happy with the way.
Fighting is very risky.
It's not risky, it's just hard to control, isn't it? So, there's Ghost, but you can stand by it and just don't press square next to it. Oh, that's where you need to go. Oh, hello, I'm Auntie Kerry. So, Auntie Kerry says, hello boy, so you're okay? We're fine?
Yeah?
So, dan in iawn, diolch. So...
Yeah.
So I think you need to get at the top of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Oh, here comes the third's helper.
She's back again.
Back again.
Like, this is like...
Luna. Hello.
This is the third...
Hello. Who's that on the telly? Yeah, who's that?
Luna, you might even be famous.
Yeah, who's that person? Yeah.
Luna, come on. Come on. You're 40. Come on, Baba.
Yeah, there you go.
Luna.
You can see how tight your leg. So, the new game looks amazing.
Aww,
this isn't that new, it's newish, it's been out a few months.
Yeah.
This is, Sonic Frontiers.
No, it's actually out, like, for 3 days.
Well, the DLC is, so this is free add-on, so when you buy the game, you can't play with Sonic, no, you can't play with Sonic, obviously, but you can't play with Tails or Knuckles or Amy until you get, so...
Yeah.
So Kenny likes Luna's rainbow dress. I agree. It is epic.
Yeah, it is quite cool.
She went to a mermaid birthday party earlier today. So everybody was a mermaid, but she wants to be a rainbow. So
because Luna just loves saying the word Babo.
She's a rainbow. Yeah.
No, she says Babo.
She does.
Instead of rainbow.
She does.
Uncle Mario doesn't know how Luna says it. And Uncle Mario, do you want to hear something funny?
What's that?
I actually have a Pokemon in Pokemon Go actually called Babo.
Oh dear, Babo.
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 That's awesome. Oh, thanks.
Oh, so you think you have to jump up there now? This is tricky.
Yeah, they've like made this game from baby mode. I thought well, just easy.
Big boy mode.
No, from young mode to straight up legendary entity. It went from common mode.
They heard you go. We're pros. Right, okay. We'll see how big pros they are.
Yeah, we're only pros at Sonic. We're not good at Tails, Knuckles, or Amy.
That's true, yeah.
Well, we haven't done Tails yet, and we might do them later.
You've got max rooms.
Oh, what? Are you really silly?
Yeah.
I think.
Yes, she does like a Babo. Yeah, so they.
Oh wait, don't.
You can activate it.
I don't want to fight him. He's risky.
It is risky.
If you don't know who Ghost is, play the game.
You know there's rings on, so he sucks the rings out.
Yeah, he's like Kirby.
He's like, no!
I am really bad at Knuckles. Like, this is...
You're not bad at Knuckles, I think
it's just hard.
You haven't been playing it for nearly an hour, so you're not going to master him yet, then we're completely characters. So let's play a Sonic with you all over there.
Yeah, we would just be zooming. We're like gods at Sonic, kind of. Well, you are.
So
I'm like a pro.
A lot of practice. This is pro level.
This is not baby mode. Not noob.
I wonder if you have to supposed to take him down then. I think you might have to, but not for now, because you need to get to where the marker is, which is rather.
This is a million miles from.
Yeah, it's a million miles from Green Hills from Mega Drive. Yeah, this is it is a bit different to Green Hill. Yeah. So Sonic Frontiers is set on 4 different islands.
No, it's actually 5.
5 islands. Yeah.
But now they added it to like an upgraded one, so it's like kind of like 6 islands now.
Yeah. So this is like Island 6, but they've all got different themes. This is probably the most similar. Well, this and the first.
This one's the coolest one.
Yeah, these are closest to Green Hill Zone, I'd say. I think we need to take that one down. I genuinely think that's what we need to do. Oh,
no,
the markers over there. So.
How many ghosts are there? There's like 13 of them.
The film says there's 3.
But what film says? Wait, the red for Knuckles, I guess. Because we did Amy earlier, if you aren't new.
Oh, there we go. Keep going. That's it.
I guess I'm also a speedrunner.
There we go. It does help with sort of on easy mode, so it's helping you out. Oh, there we go. Go on, that's it. Keep pushing. Nothing like the
Wow. Oh, he's happy.
He's happy. He's happy about being punched. You. Oh, there you go.
I'll keep looking too. We have to hurry.
Wait, where do I go? Are you kidding?
They're suppressing
I almost said, are you codding?
I'm not playing this episode, so I'm not there yet, so...
I haven't found any yet, but I'll keep looking.
So yeah, so that's the indicator over.
Oh,
this is like a Tetris thing.
oh yeah, da 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 da
So,
da da.
I think it goes purple, black, white, and blue, then white, yellow, but yeah, and then black.
I think purple and black are optional of which one. Oh no, I don't.
Oh no, hang on. Oh no, that's okay. And then white, you think, or blue?
Let's do blue.
Blue.
I just look at them.
We're trying to match that yellow thing. Oh.
It's white.
It was white, gutted. Never mind.
It looks like it would be blue.
So purple, black, white, blue. Yeah. And
then yellow. Oh, it's just a block. That's funny.
Yeah, we got that one.
But now we know what it is. So it's
purple. There you go.
Oh,
yeah. Carry on your version of the Tetris theme. There you go. Yeah, oh, white's not purple, it's single. No, it's not white. No, it's black.
Oh, yeah.
It's black. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, you've got the Tetris Dr. Spin's version. Get ready for this. He hasn't heard the music. Oh, yeah, Owen actually really likes Tetris 99 on the Switch.
But, and if anyone wants...
Tetris Effect on the PS4. Oh, here we go.
5.
Made it.
But I rage a lot on Fall Guys, if anyone's gonna ask why I rage a lot.
Oh, there we go.
Like,
on the map. Oh, lovely. That's very helpful.
Not.
Although...
Uncle Mario needs to find the single one.
Yeah, it's actually on my... I think it's on my Spotify.
Okay.
Dr. Spin.
Whoa, this looks cool.
So, to be honest, I think the bit the map it unlocked is underneath our picture. So... Oh,
wow.
Oh, you play Tetris 99, so we do that as well. We'll have to add you as a friend on Switch, Kenny. There you go, so...
I'm going nuts.
I prefer Tetris Effect on the PS4, but Tetris 99 is cool as well.
Wait, I just made... You can make an infinite circle.
Well, if you can get infinite boost, you can hear that still.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
I'm just doing an alternative.
Yeah, you've got all of it.
Yeah, I know. It's just...
you've got all of it. Right. Okay. So where are you headed now? Oh, back there. Okay. Oh right, Animal Crossing. Yeah. I've never got into Animal Crossing. I don't think.
No. I'm more of like a Pokemon Mario guy.
Yeah.
That's what.
Still points.
I will punch you.
They say video games that make people violent. Just need a knuckles. I will punch you. Yeah, you're such a sweet kid as well. But I will punch you. That's a knuckle punch. Whereas Green Tails makes you want to fly. Oh, it's a cog. Oh, space level. Nice. Okay.
Well, we could wait.
Yeah, so to explain, you've got two different types of levels in Sonic Frontiers. So this is the open world. This is puzzles, you platforming challenges, that sort of thing. There's also what it calls cyberspace levels, and they look more like the 3D Sonic levels that are in 3D Sonic games nowadays. So that would remind you more of like Green Hill type stuff. Cyberspace. You have to find portals to get in there. Now,
yeah, well,
you have to go on a route. You find a route. So So, oh yeah, there's like a path directly up to the roof, isn't there? Is that one? This might be different now, of course. Ah, right, oh there we go. So Kerry's stuck in this canyon on Scarlet and it got glitched. I don't know if you knew that glitch.
Oh, no, I have on Violet.
Oh, you're on Violet, aren't you? Not Scarlet.
My friend Yuan's on Scarlet. He has the Switch too, but he...
Oh, it's raining. Just like Wales. I'll say just like Wales, it's nice and sunny today. But...
Why did you say just like Wales then?
It rains all the time.
Well, I can't understand.
Oh, alright, you can climb up here. Okay. There you go. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, are you in the right place? You are in the right place.
Oh, yeah.
You want to burn that head. You get frustrations out, they're violent.
But this time you actually kind of have to.
Oh, now you're the Chaos Emerald.
Wow, that felt...
It was over there.
Whee!
See, Amy wants to smash it.
Maybe they heard us. Or me.
Yeah, that was a good jump to be fair, yeah. So he's good at the homing attacks now. You're getting used to the timing, it's different.
Yeah, because like once you're used to one character, then you just learn better another character.
Yeah.
Then you get used to that character and then you learn better another.
See, I've got a feeling that once you find this Chaos Emerald, oh. I guess you need an upgrade to get that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be off. Oh. I just go crazy.
Oh, you've got your 15 that you wanted for that skill.
Wait, I heard music. That didn't sound good.
Or is it like dun dun dun, boss battle music? What is?
Where is it?
There's a tower right behind you. Just sneak away, it's fine.
You never saw me.
Alright, so you need to go to the sky somehow. Okay.
Die!
Yeah, see.
Oh.
See, we're on easy mode, so
yeah.
it means that it's been nice and tiny. So you saw when I went up with the blues, it added the blues on for us. Yeah, we still don't know what these do.
Yeah, we've literally just collected.
Ah, right, I think that's how you get on that. Is it? So,
what?
Yeah, I think you need to get on a spring to go on that little curly-whirly bit of the sky. Or is it?
Oh, it's on a platform. I thought it was just randomly flying.
No, it's on a platform.
It's flying. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting better at this game. I haven't played.
Oh,
we haven't played this in how long?
It's been a while. Yeah, the new update. Cool. Give it a go with the new update. So.
What?
On top. Oh, cool.
This is new.
Oh right, you need to go in there to find that thing.
Well, I can just do it the boring way. Ha! I thought Knuckles just said.
Knuckles boring way. Oh, okay. And then you go across to the street stuff. Okay. There you go.
I just like to do it like this because it's funny.
No, you're making your way up. It's good, I think.
Where do I go now?
Good question.
I'm stuck.
Can you glide across where the platform is? No, it's still too high, isn't it? So maybe you need to go in that spring over there with the rings this year. There you go, how many? Oh no, that was just scary. It's nice.
No.
Make your way up. Just get you high. Get you high above the ground.
I have the high ground, Anakin.
Yes, General Kenobi. Okay. Right. Yeah, it's still over there. So I'm guessing it's that big pink tower. You probably can't find that. I'm guessing that's an Amy, is it?
Yeah.
Because that's quite high.
It's been very cool to see.
Okie dokie. Well, take care, Kenny. Have you enjoyed it?
You can watch it again, or you can see the rest once we're done.
Yeah, that's it. I'll put it on my YouTube channel. You can watch the rest when we're done. So.
Lol, or random stuff.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. No, that's how I'm for you. Yeah, it's a test. You see, whenever he goes, "Hello there," I have to say, "Hello, General Kenobi." Otherwise, I'm an imposter.
It's not good content.
It's not.
And then you always have said that. Like I say, hello there. Hello there.
Hello there.
I can even.
Yeah, you have a great Sunday too. Enjoy your sewing.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that was fun. How many people are watching?
That's a good question. Let me check. Probably us. And sometimes your sister when she walks in.
Yeah, so we kinda have like 0 viewers.
Well, no, just one person's watching, so hello, whoever you are.
Yeah.
If it's still Kerry, that's awesome. If it's not, then hello, stranger.
Hello there, stranger.
I don't know if you're hoping to see us progress massively.
Yeah, so like.
Still get used to the new characters.
Yeah. And if anyone wants to know how to do this, just run up to the top and make sure.
Yeah, and then you have to float across it. Still quite slow now. I'll just take to the spring.
Sorry, everyone.
It's okay.
He's very quirky.
Very quirky is Jack. Jack listens and stalks me. But when I want him to do something, he never does it.
So, wait, really?
Yeah. When I want him to put like Spotify on and stuff, they're like, I don't know what to mean. Whereas when he's playing it and stuff, and you're talking to somebody else about the game sound repeat.
Oh.
There's 2 people watching now. Oh, hello, second person.
Hello there.
Hello there.
For about sick. How do I
get up there? So I'm guessing you get up there by gliding across 2 platforms up there. Yeah. So there you go. Aha! That looks promising.
No!
What's up there? All right. Okay. Yeah, glide bikes.
No, it's just I'm gliding back. I don't know where I came from.
Maybe try and get on that platform over there.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There's all the there you go. Content pop-ups is still a thing.
It's still
a thing. We didn't know.
Hard.
We were like, oh, what are you doing? Oh, you could do that. Okay, there's a spring then.
Oh.
Ah, right. Okay. So I think what you need to do is on the wall, get some springs, and then get some rings, shall I say.
Yes.
When you're on the wall, when you're in this pink thing,
yes.
press triangle. But you need to pick rings up first, because you see that?
Just look at my rings.
Yeah, I know you got 400. There you go, you filled up now, it's blue. Can you see on the right hand side? On the right hand side, look over.
It's
over the screen now, you can't see it very well.
Oh,
there you go. That needs to be blue.
Yeah.
So when it's blue, you can press triangle when you buy those purple things over there.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll wait for...
So wait for the bombs, which I do. I said, whoa, and then I try and... Nice, see? That's got fallen. And I pick up more rings now, so it fills up. Try and avoid the laser beams and the guys.
Uh-oh, please do not spoil me. No.
Oh, we're gonna have to call our stream a day in a bit, because it's been over an hour, so...
Like...
Yeah. So, no. Yep, so...
So maybe, like, another 5 more minutes.
Okay, another 5 more minutes, and then we'll end the stream, yeah?
Yeah, so...
Cool, so hello to people who are watching. We're trying... It's our first reaction to the new DLC on Sonic Frontiers, Update 3. It's free. So we're currently playing as Knuckles. It's tricky.
Yeah, we've, like, struggled a lot.
Yeah.
And...
Getting used to the new characters.
It's gonna be really hard to finish this.
Yeah, but, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time. So you start there, do you? It's taking you all the way over here, and you need to get what's awesome.
It reset me.
Yeah, it did, but it's weird that it reset you here. You're miles away.
It's literally the start. It's actually the start. If you're asking. It is. Restarted me at the start.
Yes.
It just makes you do that.
Say glide, and then they're like at the top of nowhere, straight up. Or you're trying to climb the mountain now. Oh, go on. Hey!
Yeah, boy!
Awesome. Nice. Now, we just need to get up there, over there somewhere. But they're out.
Did the platforms just disappear?
No, they sort of appear when you fly near them, isn't it? It's the pop-up, it's just awful. But I think you need to get back on that spring, and then...
And how am I going to do that? Is all the way over there?
Glide over there. Yeah, see. There's a spring.
Oh, that's spring.
Oh look, all these platforms come from nowhere. They weren't able to. There's a spring there as well, so maybe that will... Okay. Oh, at the top, that's cool. That skips all that climbing, that's awesome. Or you just do that. Yes, Emerald. Hey!
Hey! So should we end it here?
Yeah, we can do. Because we've got suspicion, there's another third character.
Alright, so this, I guess we're gonna have to end it here.
Yep, so thank you very much for joining us. So our next stream will be in a couple of weeks' time.
It's gonna be another Sonic game, but it's not gonna be this.
No, it's gonna be a reaction stream to Sonic Superstars, our very first playthrough.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And I'm gonna make sure he doesn't play because I'm fine with not playing.
Yeah.
But I have to make sure you don't. Because if you do, we are not doing the stream next week.
Fair enough. I'll resist playing it when it comes out. Even if it's for my birthday, but it comes out 2 days after my birthday, so I won't play it the whole week.
So that means your birthday's on Sunday.
It is, my birthday's on a Sunday, so yeah. So there we go. So thank you very much for joining us, guys.
And we will see you next time.
We'll see you next time.
So, how do I do this? I don't know how you do this. I'm new to this.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm new to this stuff.
You are new to this stuff?
We might.
No one watched it in the end.